Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix voice chat not working in Valorant. Alright, let's begin. First, open your computer's sound settings. Make sure your output and input volumes are not set to 0. Then check the input device section and note the exact name of the microphone you want to use. You will need this later when adjusting the Valorant settings. Once your system audio looks correct, open Valorant. When the game loads, click the gear icon in the top corner and go to Settings. From there, select the Audio tab and open the Voice Chat section. For the output device, you can keep it on default or manually select the device you use for listening, such as your headphones. Then move to the input device. Instead of leaving it on default, choose the microphone you checked earlier in your sound settings. Selecting the correct mic is the key step, since Valorant may not automatically pick the one you want. Finally, make sure neither volume option is set too low. After adjusting these settings, your voice chat should start working properly. So that's basically how you can fix voice chat not working in Valorant. That's it for this video. Thanks.